In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view tabs as a grid in Google Chrome. This feature can significantly enhance your browsing experience, whether you're working on research, comparing data, or just trying to stay organized with multiple tabs open. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. First, we need to head to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by navigating directly via the web or simply typing Chrome/extensions into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, and within the extensions window, look in the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. Clicking on these will give you the option to Open Chrome Web Store. This is the starting point for accessing various Chrome extensions that will allow us to configure our tabs in a grid. Next, it's time to search for a suitable tab tiling extension. The Chrome Web Store offers a variety of options, but we'll focus on two popular ones: Tile Tabs and Tab Resize, split-screen layouts. These extensions are designed specifically to organize your tabs in a grid-like layout, so use the search bar at the top to find them quickly. Once you've found an extension that suits your needs, click on it to find out more about its features and reviews, or go ahead and click Add to Chrome. Once the extension is added, it's helpful to pin it to your toolbar for easy access. To do this, you'll want to look for a little puzzle piece icon to the right of your Chrome's address bar. Clicking it will allow you to manage your extensions, find your new tab tiling extension in the list, and click the pin icon next to it. This will ensure that the icon stays visible on your toolbar, allowing you to access it whenever you need to reorganize your tabs quickly. Now, with the extension installed and easily accessible, let's go ahead and arrange your tabs. Open multiple tabs that you'd like to view in a grid. Then, right-click on the extensions icon that you pinned to the toolbar. You'll be presented with various layout options. These might include arrangements like a 2x2 grid, vertical or horizontal splits, or custom configurations depending on the extension you're using. Choose the layout that aligns best with your workflow. And there you have it. A clean, organized grid of tabs is now at your fingertips, making multitasking more efficient and navigating between tabs more intuitive. Remember, these extensions offer customization for different layouts, so feel free to experiment with what works best for you and enhance your productivity while using Google Chrome. Thanks for tuning into today's video. I hope this guide helps you optimize your browsing setup. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more tutorials or drop your queries in the comments section below. Happy browsing, and see you next time.